In this video, we have one trigonometric integral to evaluate. If you want to give it a try, go ahead. I'll be right back. If you don't see an obvious approach to take at the start, no obvious substitution for u, we can go ahead and just multiply this out. So we've got secant of 2x multiplied through here. That'll give me secant squared of 2x. And then secant and cosine are reciprocals. So secant is the same thing as 1 over cosine. In this case of 2x. So when I multiply these two out, that gives me a 1. So I get secant squared of 2x plus 1 and dx. And then we integrate term by term. Got a secant squared of 2x, and the derivative of what function gives me secant squared? Well, it's tangent. So this should be a tangent of 2x. And you could let u equal to 2x. du would be 2dx. But all we need really is just the factor of 1/2 here, because of this 2x there, and then plus, and the integral of 1 with respect to x is x, and then you have your constant of integration. So again, 1/2 tangent of 2x plus x plus c. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.